Hi guys.
Do it in my room or Ted's room if you don't want me to listen. Portugal, they're quite good. Portugal or Uruguay. Portugal.
Grill.
Captain Kirk.
And then it double locks there. You push a pin in, and then what you do is you go like that, one way, then you hear a little click, and then the other one. Then you take it out, like that. Then the little pin is right there, if you can see that. And then all you do is basically just push it in, and then what you do is do it one way, you hear that click, and then you do the other way, and it unlocks. Same goes with the other one. The little pin pushes in, you go one way to unlock the pin, double lock, and then the other way to open it. And I'll show you once more on my wrist. And it has to be in between that joint right there. But my mum's fussy, so she doesn't like it like that. And to double lock it is just there. I only do it to, I'll do both. And what you do is get that right there. One way to unlock the double lock, and the other way to unlock it. And then the same goes for this one. Bring you a little closer on this one. One way, then the other way to unlock it. Now you can buy these on, look at the key right there. There's a little point, because there's like a gap that goes all the way through the handcuffs to unlock it. So you can buy these exact ones from Amazon Prime, and they're done tomorrow, but you have to order these black ones for them to come. Because if you order the silver ones, they won't come, they just say that the packaging is broken, or the packaging was broken. And then basically, I'll do a video on how to clean them and how to leave them when I've got the stuff. Well, I will. But yeah, they're pretty cool. But yeah, look at them. I'll do one more quick one on my wrist again. And if you don't want to buy them from Amazon because you don't want them, then you don't have to. But if you want them, you just order them from Amazon or get them off eBay if someone sells them. But you have to make sure they're not broken. Because my other key broke. Because my sister did it too hard. One way, and then the other. Then if you have the keys, that's how to escape them, basically. But if you don't, then you can't escape them. And if you like this, leave a comment on if you like them, and if you want me to do more videos, comment below, leave a like on this video, also subscribe, and I will see you in the next one if you comment and like and subscribe. Remember that bell icon next to it. Peace.